Welcome to Purple Trading. If you are new to trading or are familiar with the MetaQuotes MT4 and are looking to switch to Purple Trading cTrader, we invite you to watch our video series on the differences between the two platforms. In this first video, we will look at an overview and some unique features of cTrader over MT4. One of the most important differences between MT4 and cTrader is the capacity for risk management. Before opening a position, cTrader shows you exactly what risk is on each trade. For example, if you plan to risk 1% on each trade, you may adjust your quantity or stop loss and view and modify the results before you place a market order or even after you place a pending order. In MT4, you cannot change the volume after a pending order is placed, and there is no facility to determine your actual risk, unless you spend the time calculating it manually for every quote currency and every trade. Even cTrader Mobile displays your risk while MT4 Mobile cannot. This often leads to traders guessing and very often opening positions which are too large for their account. Also, many traders are confused by this drop-down box in MT4, where there is a curious jump from 0.05 lots to 1 lot, completely bypassing the 0.1 to 0.9 lots, which can create some accidentally high position sizes. We will look at opening positions and risk management in more detail in a later video. cTrader Mobile has the important facility of being able to set price alerts. MT4 Mobile has no such feature unless you set the alert on the MT4 desktop. Configurations on cTrader are server-based, whereas those on MT4 are client-based. For the user, that means that any workspace or templates that you create will be available on any cTrader desktop platform on any computer on multiple accounts, as long as you use the same cTrader ID. This is the same for cTrader Web. By the way, cTrader Web looks and behaves almost identically to cTrader Desktop, allowing you to trade with the same configurations on any popular browser anywhere in the world. MT4 Web Trader, on the contrary, is quite limited in functionality and not offered by all brokers. Also, you may run more than one instance of cTrader Desktop on any computer and detach charts and other elements for larger screens and multiple monitors. This is not possible with MT4, and we will go into more details in our charting video. MetaQuotes, the developer of MT4, has informed the industry that there will be no new updates to the platform. cTrader, on the other hand, is actively being updated by their developer, Spotware Systems, and new features are being added all the time. For example, a comprehensive economic calendar, built-in technical analysis, and depth of market. We will have more details in future videos, and we will leave you with one last important feature. Creating watch lists in cTrader is quite easy, and searching for symbols is readily available. In fact, if you create a watch list on cTrader Web, it will be available on cTrader Desktop and vice versa. MT4 has no search function, but it has sets. You can create a custom set by saving all available symbols and deleting the symbols you don't want, which can be quite time-consuming. Whether you are a beginning trader or have experience trading on other platforms, we hope you will enjoy this cTrader video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.